Hey guys, welcome back to Misha's Corner. I had this chicken sandwich for lunch today and I just wanted to show it to y'all. Obviously, I'm not making the patties from scratch. I got some sweet potato fries, some Munster cheese, and this is the sauce that I'll be using on the sandwich, but you can use whatever sauce you want. I also wanted to put this quick video out to remind you guys that my Thanksgiving series starts tomorrow at noon, October 1st, here on my YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and show your girl mad love when my video drops. The video tomorrow is just a warm-up. Okay, it's just a warm-up. We got a whole lot of videos to go. So make sure you guys tune in. And thank y'all for y'all continued support. So I seared the patties on both sides like I'm doing here, melt the cheese down, and now I'm pretty much going to build the sandwich. So it's the bun, Swiss, use whatever lettuce you want. I'm using spinach because that's what I had. I used some heirloom tomatoes. Look at my chunky hands, y'all. I look like a walrus. I can't wait to have baby Peanut, y'all, for real. But anyway, back to the sandwich. I add my tomatoes, then I added my chicken patty down. Those tomatoes were really, really good, by the way. Make sure you sprinkle it with a little salt, a little sprinkling link. And now I'm adding my patty. This patty is actually really good. I'll probably be buying it again. So if you have a Kroger, that's where I got it from, the Kroger grocery store. And then you just want to add everything on top. The crispy onions, some more Swiss, and then the top bun, and that was it. That was lunch. To be honest, this sandwich was kind of big. I didn't even eat the whole thing. I had half of it. But I'm pretty sure a regular average person on a regular day could finish the whole thing. But y'all already know I'm finicky right now, okay? Very finicky right now and queasy, so I can't, But look how delicious and amazing this looks. And yeah, so I'm going to let you see the little snippet for the series that's coming tomorrow. And I love you guys, and I'll catch you on my next video tomorrow at noon. Don't miss it. Bye.